Let me ask you something. If nothing changes in your life between now and next year, would you be happy? Would you be proud of the person you have become, the money you have made, the health you have built, and the relationships you have nurtured? Or would you feel regret, wishing you had done something earlier? Here's the good news. You still have time. But here's the bad news. Not as much as you think. You know, next year is closer than it feels. And the truth is, if you don't start now, you'll blink and realize 2 years have passed and nothing has changed. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to upgrade your life before the upcoming year. And without further ado, let's kick things off with the first step. Upgrade your mindset. Everything begins here. Your mindset is the operating system of your life. So if it is outdated, slow, and filled with limiting beliefs, guess what? You cannot upgrade anything else. If you want a different life before next year, you have to start by reprogramming your mind. So feed it with books, podcasts, mentors, and people who push you forward. Because your life will only rise as high as your mindset allows. Step 2. Upgrade your health. You cannot upgrade your life if your body is running on low energy. Think about it. What is the point of success if you don't have the health to enjoy it? So before next year, commit to building the basics. Move your body daily, even if it is just 30 minutes. Eat foods that give you energy, not ones that still eat. And protect your sleep like your life depends on it, because it does. And trust me, when your health levels up, everything else, your work, your relationships, your confidence, rises with it. Step 3. Upgrade your finances. Now, let's talk about money. Because you cannot upgrade your life if you're constantly stressed about bills. I'm not saying you need to be rich before next year, but you can be smarter with your money. So start trying where it goes, build an emergency fund, learn how to invest, even if it is just $50 a month, and focus less on looking rich and more on becoming financially free. Small financial upgrades compound into big changes. Step 4. Upgrade your environment. Here's something most people overlook. Your environment shapes you more than your motivation ever will. Look around, the people you spend time with, the room you walk in, and the things you consume daily. These are silently programming your habits. So if you want to upgrade your life, upgrade your environment. Surround yourself with people who inspire you and cut out the toxic inputs, whether that is negative friends, endless scrolling, or distractions that keep you average. Step 5. Upgrade your actions. This is the most important one. None of this matters if you don't act. People love to plan, to dream, and to write goals. But execution, that is where most people fail. So ask yourself, what is one action I can take today that my future self will thank me for? And it doesn't have to be big. Start small, but start now. Because consistency beats intensity. And your daily action, even tiny steps, will completely change where you end up by next year.